Hey, I'm Brad with Family Medical Supply, and today I want to talk about the SoClean 2 sanitizing machine. It's a device that helps you clean your CPAP supplies. Now, when you get the unit for the first time, out of the box you'll have the machine, the filter, the pre-wash solution, the plug, the tubing with an adapter on the end, and of course the power cord, which I already have plugged in to the back of the unit. Okay, to open the top of the SoClean, just simply press here. Now the filter, it is new. You would have to unwrap it and you insert it right here. You do want to replace your filter every 6 months. Now also, the little water trap in the tubing, you want to replace every 6 months. The pre-wash solution is just that. It's just a soap to help you manually wash your supplies. You don't have to have it in order to use the SoClean. The plug. Now it's important to use the plug, but you have to put it on one or two sides. So say you use the CPAP on this side, you would put the plug on this side. Then you put the mask in on this side. Whatever kind of style mask you have will go in here. Now it uses ozone, so there's no kind of water or chemical that we have to put in here. Just simply put your mask in and lower the lid. Now let's look at some of the menu options. Now when you plug it in for the first time, you will have to set the time, which I've already done, but you can adjust that here. Time, whatever the time is, set. Now here you'll find the disinfecting time and the time of day that the unit will automatically start. You can adjust these two by pressing here. So this is the amount of minutes that the ozone would run. You can change that by pressing here, anywhere from 1 minute to 12 minutes, okay? Now 7 is recommended. I'm just gonna put it back on 7. But say you don't want it to start at 10 a.m., say you want it to come on at 9 or 11, you can just make that adjustment here, whatever you like. I'll put it back on 10. Now you can manually start the machine by pressing here. It's running, stop it. You just notice it was red, it just turned to yellow. Red is the amount of time that you have set here. I manually stopped it, so now it is yellow. Now it will be yellow for 2 hours. That ozone is in there, we still want it to be disinfecting for an additional 2 hours. And when it turns green, it's safe to take your mask out, okay? Now, that's the SoClean, but how do you hook it up to your particular CPAP? The AirSense 10, for example, you do have to get a sold separately adapter. And what that is basically just another lid for your existing water chamber. I'll take that off, okay? Don't forget to take the seal out and put on your new adapter, which I have here. Basically, it's just another lid for your water chamber. Put my seal in. Okay, put that in place and put that back on. This enables us to hook up our SoClean to our AirSense 10. We take the old adapter off. We don't need that now. And it plugs in right here. Okay, let's say you have a Dream Station. Okay, we do have to have a sold separately adapter. You fish that tubing down here into the water chamber, attach here, put your heated tubing on here, and then your tubing could attach here for your SoClean. S9, lift your lid. You do have to take the top off. Again, don't forget your seal under the lid. Put it on your new adapter. Put that in place. And you put that back on. But again, don't forget to fish down the tubing down into the chamber. Okay. Right here. And now we have a port to attach our SoClean. Let's say you don't use a humidifier, okay? So you have to take the water chamber out. All right, take that off. And you would have to have a sold separately cap for the AirSense 10. But if you do this, you can't use Climate Line tubing. Take that off. You can still attach the SoClean. You just take the original adapter that came with the SoClean, put on here, okay? But you would have to use your Slimline tubing, regular standard tubing. Goes here. There's your port to attach your SoClean. Okay. And that's about it as far as SoClean operations and how to attach it. Thank you for watching.